Hello children, how have you been? Hope you all are good and healthy at home. Welcome you all to the session. Today we will discuss inserting objects, shapes, symbols and special characters to a Word document. Let's start today's class, inserting objects. Microsoft Word allows an object created in one application to get it embedded in another document without changing the original format of the object. These objects are embedded to give special effects to the document and make it visually appealing. Objects embedded in a document can be from a PowerPoint presentation, a movie clip, an Excel spreadsheet, etc. Now we will discuss how to insert objects in a document. For that, first click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is the Insert tab. Click on this. From this, choose the option Text Group. Which group? Text Group. This is the Text Group option. From this Text Group option, we can select Object. Which option? Object option. Click on this. Then an object dialog box will appear. From this you have to choose Create from File. Which is the option? Create from File. Then click on this Browse and select a file such as a spreadsheet or a PDF document that is available on your computer. Browse, then any PDF or spreadsheet we can select. Select one spreadsheet, then click on this Insert button. After that, you have to click on this OK button. Then that particular file is inserted to this document. Now the document is embedded and available within your Word document. Okay. To edit the embedded object, double click on it. Double click on it. Then we can edit. The object will open for editing in the respective application. In this, I used here 14th number. The next one, 15th number. Okay. Then we can see like this, double click on it, then use the scroll bar to see first onwards. Okay, clear? Now you can try embedding different types of object in the same way. Okay, clear? Then the embedded objects cannot be printed. A person opening your document must have the relevant software loaded on his computer to operate the embedded file. If you embed an object, the size of your document increases significantly, and this may cause problems in emailing the document as an attachment. If you link an object, the person opening that document must have a direct connection to the original file location of the object. These all things you have to identify while using this inserting objects. Okay, clear? Next one, insert shapes, symbols and special characters. In Microsoft Word, shapes is a drawing feature that helps you to draw different shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc. With the help of these shapes, you can give a strong impact to your message. How to insert a shape in your document? For that, click on this Insert tab on the ribbon. This is the Insert tab. Then choose the Illustrations group. From this group, you can see the Shapes option. Click on this. Then you will get a drop down menu. In this drop down menu, you can see the lines, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flow charts, stars, banners and callouts. Okay. Basic shapes, block arrows, flow chart, callouts, stars and banners, etc. You can see from this drop down menu. Then point to the basic shapes and click on the smiley face. This is the smiley face. Then the pointer changes to plus. You can see the pointer like plus. Drag it on the working area to draw the shape. This is the working area. Here I am dragging this mouse pointer. Click and drag. Then you can see the smiley face. Then the Format tab automatically appears on the ribbon when you draw the shape. At the same time, we can see the Format tab. Select any shape style from the displayed list in the Shape Styles group. Different types of shape styles you can see. Select any one. Okay. You can apply shadows also by using this shadow effects. Click on this. Different types of shadows we can apply. Okay. Next one, how to place text in shapes. For that, first we insert a shape, drag. Inside this, we have to place the text. Right click on this, then which option? Add text option. Then we can see the cursor. I typed here the smiley face. Okay. Likewise, we can insert the text into this shape. You can also change the color of the shape by selecting the shape and then clicking on the Shape Fill option in the Shape Style group on the Format tab. Click on this, then Shape Fill option. Check this one. We can fill the color. We can change the color of the shape by using this Shape Fill option. Okay, clear? Then next one, symbols and special characters. We have to insert symbols and special characters. Symbols and special characters are punctuation, spacing or typographical characters which are generally not available on the standard keyboard. They can be inserted from the symbol dialog box. How to insert symbols and special characters in a document? First, place the cursor at the position where you want to insert a symbol. Then, click on the symbol button in the symbols group on the Insert tab. From the Insert tab, you can choose the symbol button. Okay. Then select the More Symbol option. More Symbols option. Click on this. Then different types of symbols you can see. The symbol dialog box appears. In the symbol dialog box, select the symbol tab. This one is the symbol tab. Click any symbol which you have to insert. Okay, different types of symbols you can see. Check this one. Different types of symbols. Okay. If you want to insert any division symbol, that is like this. Click on that, then insert. Then close this one. That symbol is inserted there. We can increase the size of that particular symbol like this way. Then next, insert symbol, pi symbol. Directly we can insert this pi symbol. Size of the symbol also we can increase. Okay, clear? In this way, we can insert symbols to our document. Okay, clear? Okay guys, I hope it's clear to you. The notes of the topic is attached. Take down the notes and learn it. That's all for today. Take care. Thank you.